Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Anagh Academy. We are here with another episode of RAS Mains Probable Question Answer series for the RAS Mains 2024, the exam which is going to be held in June 2025. So the questions are on the basis of current affair of week 2nd of September 2024. The topics of that particular week has been already discussed in another video and another lecture, and the lecture, if you haven't watched that lecture or studied from that lecture, I must request you and I must recommend you that first you go to that lecture and clear all that concepts and write down the questions which I have been already mentioned in the last slide of that particular lecture, and write down your answers, then tally your answers with these model answers, so that any discrepancy, if you are facing any challenge you are facing, you can rectify that in the particular time period before the examination. So that mistake, if you make any kind of mistake in writing that examination, which can be improved before the actual examination, so that the same mistake cannot be repeated in the real time examination that is going to be held in June 2025 itself. Okay, and I again request you to, if you are new to the channel or you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the channel so that nothing can be missed by you in regarding current affair in the upcoming your RS mains examination. And please share this video with other aspirants so that many students can get benefited from this. Okay, let's start. So the first we discuss the category number 1, which contains 2 marks questions with 15 words limits. Okay, the first question is, to which Jain Tirthankar is Nagore's historic glass temple dedicated? So the answer is, Nagore's glass temple is dedicated to Lord Rishabdev, the first Jain Tirthankar of Jainism. Okay. The second question is, when was the PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme launched? So the PM Surya Ghar free electricity scheme was launched on 15th of February 2024. The third question is, where is the headquarter of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, located? So the answer is, the headquarter of SEBI is located in Mumbai, and the year of establishment of the SEBI is 1992. All these concepts I have been already discussed in detail at that particular video. So I request you to please go to the description of this lecture and take the link of that video, that lecture, and watch that particular lecture so that every concept is clear for you. The next is, here the category number 2, which contains 5 marks questions with 50 words limits. The first question is, on what basis in India called the world's largest plastic polluter? So the answer is, according to a study published in the Nature Journal, India emits 930 million tons of plastic waste annually, which accounts for about 1/5, that is 20% of global emission. On this basis, India is called the world's largest plastic polluter country. Next question is, what are the main advantages of solar tiles technology? So what is the solar tiles and how it is beneficial, that is being already discussed in that particular lecture. Okay, so the solar tiles, answer is, the solar tile not only generates solar energy but also prevent water leakage on roofs like traditional tiles and enhance aesthetics. They are easy to install, attractive and strong, and do not require iron stands for rooftop solar plants, like the solar plants which are being established under the PM Surya Ghar scheme. Okay. Next one is, what is the objective of the Parvati Kali Sindh Chambal ERCP project, and which is the potential nodal agency for it? So now this project is known as Ramjal Setu Link project. Okay, so the answer is, the objective of the PKC ERCP project, it means Ramjal Setu Link project, is to supply water to 21 districts in eastern Rajasthan, including linking 158 small and large dams / ponds. The National Water Development Agency, that is NWDA, can be appointed as the nodal agency for the smooth implementation and Rajasthan Madhya Pradesh coordination. Okay. Now the category number 3, which contains 10 marks questions with 100 words limits. So the question is, what is deep fake? The first part of the question. Second one is, discuss its potential dangers. And third portion is proposed control measures. Okay, 3 parts. What is deep fake? Its potential dangers and proposed control measures. So the answer is, deepfake are fake audio, video or images generated by the AI that appear authentic. Dangers include they can be used to spread misinformation or rumors, damage reputation, commit fraud, causing social and political instability. Proposed control measures are clear legal definition of deepfake, age verification, AI powered content moderation, mandatory disclosure of non authentic content, and penalties for creators or sharers. A dedicated regulatory body is also needed for monitoring and policy enforcement. Next question is, mention the main objective, budget and its predecessor major AI programs of the central government's India AI mission. This question contains 3 parts. First one is objective, second is budget, third is its predecessor major AI programs. Okay, so the answer is, the main objective of the India AI mission is to bring an AI revolution in various sectors like health, education, banking, agriculture, judiciary, railways, and make life easier. Its budget is about 10,371 crore rupees. The aim is to improve services by adopting artificial intelligence. India ranks first in artificial intelligence skill dissemination worldwide. Its predecessor major AI programs are Eravat, that is being already asked in the last year mains examination. So the importance are Bashini, the AI translation, Kisan E-Mitra Bot, Future Skills Pro Prime, that is training, Visveshwaraya PhD scheme, responsible AI program, and AI for the development program. I have already discussed all these programs in the depth and in detail analysis in that particular video. So again I request you, please go to that video and watch these topics at least 2 or 3 times. That are deep fake technology and India AI mission. Okay, these are most important topics. You have to be clear with all the concept of related to these two technological terms and schemes. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. And once again I request you to, if you haven't subscribed yet the channel, please subscribe the channel and do share the lecture with your friends, your relatives, and all other who is preparing for RAS either this year or is going to be or anyone who is going to be RAS writing appearing to write RAS mains examiners, or anyone who is going to RAS interview 2023, that these persons will also be benefited by this particular lecture. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.